guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Hi guys!
This is our vlog number 2.
I'm with me, myself and I. Guys, we're going to China Mall. Salamat po sa mga nag-pick up sa akin. Galing pa silang Umalquin and pinick up nila ako. And I'm so touchable. Wow! Overwhelmed. So traffic because it's Sunday.
Hi guys! We're here now in China Mall.
I'm with my boyfriend.
Welcome to China Mall. OTD.
How are you? How much is it, brother? This one. 35 dirham.
Kuya, ano so much this one?
No, it's 25 dirham. And this one is 35 dirham. But it's so cute. It's like inspired by Hermes. 800 dirham for mga. What? 4,650. Lagi. Hindi wala lahat ng binidyo ko. Paano maging tanga? Tuturuan namin kayo paano maging tanga sa pagbablog.
Kanina ka ba nagsasalita?
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita pero I don't know kung may naririnig kayo since ang mic nasa bag. Ang tanga lang.
Nakakainis.
Kanina pa kami nagsasalita, be. Ang dami ko ng chika-chika sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung meron ba yon o wala.
Back mo nga, be. Ito lang yan, bro.
Akala siguro nila famous ako, be. Katingin siya sa akin, be.
May sabi niya, ano yan?
Sabi niya. Nakagaya siya.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Lahat ng sinabi namin kanina, lahat yun wala. Lahat yun hindi recorded. And that's so sad.
Guys, it's already 9, so it's time to go back to Umalquin. We didn't buy anything here.
Okay, so we're going back in Umalquin. So
Hi guys, so we're here in Crab and Crab.